Welcome to another Embellishments on the 11th. This is a collaboration put on by Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage. There are several of us participating, and I will be putting a hashtag in the description box so that later you can go see what they made. Today I used my Bigz Die with the little heart shapes. It is Valentine's month. 3 different colors. They're really fun to use scraps with. The smaller scraps, you just lay it across and run it through. I will be making cards with these. I've already picked out my papers, as well as I have my 2 newest Valentine's stamps. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to watch the other participants to see what they made. It's such a fun collaboration. Feel free to join us. Thank you so much, and I will see you soon.